Yes.
Vegetarian and non-vegetarian you have told. What about fish-vegetarian?
What?
Fish.
Fish is non-vegetarian.
We consider it vegetarian, Bengalis. We consider it vegetarian.
Yes,
Even
for Bengalis it is.
We offer Ma Durga also. Fish.
You offer fish as a prasad in the temple.
Prasad, yes.
I know that because once I went to a temple in Calcutta and they had given some biryani like thing which was fish biryani. I was surprised. But it's all, it's custom. That's all.
No, whether it is good or bad, I'm asking you.
Which is good or bad?
The fish eating.
Non-vegetarian food, cooked meat is bad. Even fish, if you want to healthy, you must eat raw fish. Sushi.
Hello, sir. Yeah. So,
Yes.
Sir, I don't go to gym. I don't walk in the morning, but I feel healthy. I'm not like an athlete, but I feel healthy. How far it is good in long run?
God only knows, because some people don't exercise at all. I have seen people who don't exercise at all, but they also remain healthy. Maybe in your constitution. Only God knows. There are certain questions which no man can answer. Today, if you go for a vitamin D test, everybody is vitamin D deficient. That's my experience. But I will be very chary of giving vitamin D easily and liberally, because hypervitaminosis D is a very serious disease, more serious than cancer. So don't take unnecessarily vitamin D. I think the best vitamin D for Indians is to sit in the sun for 1 hour. You get first class D3, natural D3. Sit in the sun without your shirt for 1 hour, say between 8 and 9 or 5 and 6 in the evening. You get enough vitamin D. Don't have to take tablets. Yes. Very good. Cancer prevention. I told you, vegetarian food, tranquil mind, not hating anyone. One person wrote me a letter. If hatred is a cause of cancer, why do children get hatred? Children get cancer. Poor man doesn't know the mind of a child. Some children hate each other so much that I tell you, when a new child is born, the existing child, because its love from the parent is less, wants to kill the first child. So they hate each other so much. Hatred comes in your nature itself.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Sir, you said happiness.
Yes.
Create happiness, autoimmune problems gone, everything gone.
Yes.
What happens to people now? You said also don't eat non-veg.
Who?
You said don't have, or you don't, don't have cooked non-veg, have raw. And you also said don't have alcohol. Now, what about people who are having all the non-veg and all that?
That's a
How
good
are
question.
they going to feel happy for the rest part of their life?
That's a very good question. I will answer that in a very nice way. I had a patient who was a gentleman who was about 37 years. He had a massive heart attack. So I saw him. He was a heavy smoker, heavy drinker. And I saw him. Somehow or other he survived. Not because of me, but because of in spite of me, he survived. Then I told him, look, God has given you another chance to survive. Why don't you now leave those habits of drinking and smoking, etc., and live a healthy life? He just looked at me and said, in a very sarcastic way, in his own language, he said, "Adine suga ningalku engane area. You fool don't know the pleasures of those two things. And that's why you are advising me." That's exactly what you're saying, sir. And do you know what I told him? Yes, I don't know the pleasures, but I tell you one thing, that I am happy as I am. And he went, and for another 6 months he didn't smoke, he didn't drink. But his friends told him, the doctor is a fool. Now start, you enjoy life. Without which, what is life? So he started enjoying life, and of course, met his maker in heaven after 3 months. This happens.
Sir, about D3 you mentioned.
Yes,
you know, very nice. Half an hour to 1 hour sit in the sun. But here we talked about breakfast, and people didn't want to give more than 2 to 5 minutes. Who's going to sit in the sun?
Second part I didn't catch.
Sorry?
I didn't catch the second half of the question.
I said, yes, sitting in the sun replacement for the D3 medication and everything
Yeah.
is very good. But here people are so busy, you know, in their lifestyle
I
that
say-
they don't have even time for breakfast. And we narrated how much time people spend on breakfast morning. So does it really become practical to do that?
No, 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 it is that's certainly not. If you don't have the time to sit for 1 hour in the sun, it's not the time to do that. But if you are so busy that you want to spend your life that fast, then you will go in the fast lane and end up very fast. Sorry,
You have given so much energy to us.
I have become allergic to you. What do you mean? But allergy is, definition of allergy? Altered acquired capacity to react. I have not altered my capacity to react to you in an abnormal way today. So it's not allergy.
Energy, energy. He is saying energy,
What is he saying?
energy, energy. You have given so much energy.
Acha, I have given you so much energy. I am very happy about it.
Should we finish?
No, if they want